Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a bank account to eBay. Let's walk through the process clearly and confidently so you can connect your bank and manage payments without hassle. Start by opening your web browser and going to eBay's homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the site, locate your profile icon near the top of the screen and click it to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the hub where you control your profile, security, and financial preferences. Inside Account Settings, look for the Payments section. This is where eBay manages your wallet, including cards, bank accounts, and payout options. Click Payments to open your wallet. On the wallet page, select Add Cards and Accounts. This action opens the area where you can link a new funding source, including a bank account you'll use for checkout, and, depending on your setup, for receiving funds. Next, choose Checkout. This option organizes the methods you use to pay on eBay, and adding your bank here ensures it's available when you complete purchases. When the prompt appears, click Continue to proceed. You may see a short explanation about how your bank information is stored securely and used for payments. On the selection screen, choose the bank entry presented to you. In our example, it's shown as a sample account. Click that option to move forward. Then click Continue again to confirm your selection and finalize the link. If your region supports bank authentication, you might be guided through a secure connection to your bank to verify ownership. Follow those on-screen prompts if they appear. After confirmation, your bank account is added to your eBay wallet. You can return to the Payments area anytime to review details, set a default payment method, or manage other funding sources. If you don't immediately see the new account, refresh the page and check the Checkout section again. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure your name and address in eBay match what your bank has on file, as mismatches can cause errors. Temporarily disabling pop-up blockers can help if a verification window doesn't open. If you're using a shared or public device, remember to sign out when you're finished. That's it. You've successfully added a bank account to eBay. Thanks for following along.